Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. % seen on July 21, 2021. This points towards a very pessimistic sentiment among leveraged traders, and, yes, a sign of capitulation, Vita Lund, market analyst at Arcane Research, told CoinDesk in a Twitter chat. Offshore crypto trading platforms like Binance and Bybit offer relatively high leverage than the regulated Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and are considered. The collectibles will be minted and sold through Tech Mahindra's leading NFT marketplace platform. A milestone for Tech Mahindra, speaking about its foray into the metaverse, and the potential it holds for Tech Mahindra. MD and CEO, Tech Mahindra, CP Gurnani stated, "Metaverse has the power to disrupt our reality, as well as the future, for good." At Tech Mahindra, we have always been at the forefront of 5G, and our entry into the metaverse is yet another milestone in our journey of catalyzing future readiness and disrupting and transforming customer experiences. The fundamental layers of metaverse are very well integrated within Tech Mahindra and its competencies. From infrastructure to experience, from spatial computing to now commerce, Tech Mahindra's platform, the Techverse, would enable a seamless integration between our known expertise in 5G with our skills in AI, Arkansas VR, and blockchain. We would be training a workforce of 1,000 engineers to ensure they are ready to solve complex business challenges and imagine new worlds for our customers and society. Burgeoning growth with the growing popular illicit activity is far outstripped by the use of traditional assets. Critics can no longer credibly present the specter of illicit activity to beat back Bitcoin. Now the foremost experts in the world say it is not a major threat. Case closed. Staff of the U.S. Treasury, the authors of the report, are the most knowledgeable and best equipped investigators and enforcers against illicit financing in the world. Moreover, the reports were reviewed by other U.S. government partners, including the Department of Justice, the Department of Homeland Security, and the FBI. There could not be a more authoritative source to convey these findings. Of course, the Treasury's reports confirm what industry participants have demonstrated for years. The most recent edition of the Crypto Crime Trends report, published by blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis, for instance, found that just 0.15% of cryptocurrency transaction volume in 2021 involved illicit addresses. The recent arrest of the alleged Bitfinex hackers and the seizure of nearly 100,000 Bitcoin also demonstrates that moving large sums of money on a public network that can be monitored from a Raspberry Pi isn't as easy as, well, Pi. But the reports also confirm what we know from common experience, that we use Bitcoin far more frequently for storing wealth and sending money to family members, and reducing emissions and making micropayments, and fleeing the freaking Taliban, than for illicit finance. Dollar exchange rate slipped to its lowest since March 2020. Markets likely saw the European economy taking a relatively bigger hit from the Ukraine-Russia war, and the West's punitive sanctions on Moscow. Gold took a bull breather while oil, industrial metals and grains were bid again, hinting at hotter inflation in coming months. Even so, many markets continue to scale back bets of monetary policy tightening by the Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank. The annualized rolling 3-month premium in Bitcoin futures listed on crypto exchange Binance fell to record lows early this week, hinting a capitulation in market bottom. Binance's 24-hour average basis spread between futures and spot prices reached a new all-time low on Monday of 1.17%, below the bottom 1.1851%. Meanwhile, Terra's Luna has been the apple of many investors' eyes since its 2022 rallies. The asset is also won over DeFi players, thanks to its rising TVL. However, according to Token Insight, Terra's anchor lending protocol, now with a TVL of $12.6 billion, appears to be struggling with sustaining its high yield. But despite these changes, it might not be time to throw Ethereum out the window just yet. The biggest alt by market cap and TVL has been seeing a month with average gas fees each day falling well below 100 Gwei. With high fees often being a reason for investors to turn away from Ethereum, it remains to be seen whether this fall in prices will lead to a resurgence in Ethereum's TVL dominance. Phantom of the TVL Token Insights report found that Phantom is one of the chains enjoying great success. However, since the shock departures of Andre Cronje and Anton Nell, members of the Phantom Foundation, Phantom's TVL has seen a sharp drop. Let's take a look at the near future of AmpCoin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025, or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict